Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. In this video we will be taking a look at District0x. We'll run over some of the key statistics first and then we'll have a look at trading and do some price analysis. I did do a video around 4 weeks ago now. We have dropped down and pretty much hit some targets of the buying targets. And now I think it's time to push on. I think it's going to be a good few weeks now for altcoins. So hopefully we can try and target some higher levels. So first up, please make sure you do like this video, that you are subscribed to my channel. Let's crack on. District0x, which is ticker DNT, is currently ranked 305 out of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed on CoinMarketCap. Today we have a token price of $0.051192 US, and that is equivalent to around 5 cents. We are slightly down on today's trading, but it's been a good few days. We have a total supply of 1 billion DNT, and out of those in circulation, it's around 60%. Which is 600 million. The volume we actually are getting per 24 hours, $2.1 million. And the market cap today, which is the 14th of December, is $30.8 million. If we just look at market pairs where that trading is mostly happening, we're on some big exchanges. So Coinbase Pro is getting a massive 64% of the entire market volume. And then we have Binance against BTC and Tether picking up pretty much the rest of the market cap. There's a little bit of trading on other ones like Mercatox, VCC, a little bit on Uniswap and then Gate.io. So if you're looking to get hold of it, I mean, anyone can use Uniswap. You don't need to be, you don't need to do any KYC or anything like that. And then Binance and Coinbase Pro, pretty much a lot of people do use in coins exchanges. One final point, all-time highs, and that was 48 cent January 6, 2018. We all know what happened, and that was the end of the last major bull cycle. And hopefully, if you look at the chart there, we can see that again down here somewhere, because it's been 3 years of shit in the cryptocurrency market. We have had a few ups and a few downs, but nothing like what we saw back then. So let's have a look what we can do going forward. So let's have a look at the charts now and we'll do some price analysis. So this is how I had the chart set up from last time. I've not really looked at the chart ever since. And what we did do last time, we did target some buy-ins at 3.9 cents. That was a solid area of monthly support. What I also said that would potentially come down to a 618 level of a Fibonacci. So we just start the fib from the entire move up to there. I mean, you could say you could go out there, but we'll do it body to body. And we didn't quite get it down to a 61% retracement. This monthly support held up very well. I mean, we wicked it twice and then we nearly touched it again there. So, I mean, anywhere around the area at 4 cents, people are buying it up and it is being a strong area to target. So I think that was a potential buy zone there. The only chances we're getting coming down here now is if we get a major market dump, which we always need to be prepared for. So potentially 618 level, if we come down to there, then there'll be buy-ins at 2.9 cent, 3 cent on an hours early. So we just need to monitor, but I'm going to remain bullish until we do get a dump. If we do get a dump, we might not. I'm quite bullish for December. December is historically a great month for altcoins, so let's hope we can continue soon. We want BTC to range a bit and alts can do their thing. So what I'm going to do is just drop back onto a weekly time frame and just have a look at some more key levels, see if we can plot any around these levels and see what we got. So we've not got much plotted in here really. I've got this monthly level and I didn't really do much. I think we've got a few higher, but there's some big gaps there and we are trading in this range now. So first one, I want to mark up some weekly levels of support and resistance. And I think the first one is here. So if you look at this wick on the 5th of March, you could even go away through there, to be honest. The 18th of December 2017. We actually, no, I'm not, it's not quite on it, is it? Or is it? Yeah, we could do, yeah, it's pretty much on it. So if we look at that wick, it nearly bounced off that as support. Turn my phone off. And then we used it as support here on the 15th of March. And then we used this area twice as resistance on the 2nd of July 18. And then 30th of July 18. We've nearly been up to area again. So, I mean, that is close to another rejection area. So we'll mark it up. And that is a weekly level of resistance at current prices. So let's just have a zoom in and see if there's anything around here. Potentially might be, but you never know. Can't see anything there. I don't think we're going to get anything, are we? Now let's just have a look, see if we've got any a little bit higher within this area. it would be nice to go get a few more levels on my weekly. It looks like we've kind of got one there. If you look at this wick here, we actually rejected off that, and we rejected off it twice there. So that to me is another level of weekly resistance at current prices. But that's way up. That's a 6 point. Oh no, it's not. It's not a million miles off. So that is another good area to target. And let's just have a look, see if we've got one more above here, and then we'll go into some targets. Have a look where we can pretty much buy. There's one there as well. So if you look at that wick and that wick, actually rejected off area twice. So that is another level of weekly resistance. So that is the price now. Let's jump into the daily time frame and do some TA. So we have had a major move up. We have had a retracement, not quite a 61% retracement, but we've gone down to this monthly level of support, and it has held well. If you're considering some buying prices, then I still think the 618 level could be a potential area to target, down at pretty much 3.2 cents. So that is a potential buy zone if the market does turn sell, but I'm going to remain bullish. And then this could be obviously another buy zone here, and you could also use the Fibonacci 3.82 if you are willing to buy. But there are three levels that you could identify to potentially buy. This could be the best area to buy in. Wrong tool. This could be the best area to buy in if the market does drop. Potentially might not happen. I mean, you could be target some daily levels in here. If you look at this wick here, it come all the way through to there. Change that to a daily. So that could also be a good area to buy in at 4.5 cent. We have 1, 2, 3, around 5 wicks have hit that and bounced back up. So what you could do is have some orders here. If we do lose that level, then this is the next area to target. But that is just a bit of a bearish scenario. Personally, I'm hoping that we do start to push on now. We have, you could say we started to form a little bit of an uptrend. I mean, I'm not a massive trend fan, but if you look at that, we are starting to form a trend now, and hopefully we can start pushing up. Let's get rid of that. So what we need to do is target some high levels. This is the next key area here at 5.3 cent, 0.0533. Once we do close the daily candle above that, then we've got to obviously target this next weekly level. There will be some daily levels in here. I mean, let's just see if we can mark any up. There may not be any. There's a potential area there. I mean, that's had 2 weeks. So we'll mark it up as well. If you just look at them 2 weeks there, we rejected off it twice. So that could be the next area to target. We'll get rid of that fib because that's a bit confusing. So that is a buying zone here, and then the 618 if we lose it. Potential area to target is, this is the first level at 5.3 cent. Once we do close the daily candle above that, we need, this is quite a wicky area, so close the daily candle above 6.1 cent, and then this is the next major area. What I will do is when we break some daily candles above 6.8 cent, I will do some further analysis, and then we can go into depth about targeting high levels, because if you zoom right out, there's going to be a lot of levels in between here that we have not marked up yet, but I don't want to go into that area yet because we've not been up there for a long time, and the potential is that there still could be some downside, so we just need to be wary of that. I am going to target some levels up here, and that is when I will do the next price analysis video. If we do push up and close the daily candle above 6.8 cent, which is $0.068, I will do some further analysis. Likewise, if we do drop below here, if we do drop below 3.9 cent, then I'll do some further analysis there and identify some other levels that we could potentially use to buy in. So that is the analysis for today's video. Potential buying zones and potential selling zones if you're willing to trade it or just pretty much sell. Because remember, when we do hit these areas, we do a slight retracement. So if you're looking to accumulate your bags, sell at these levels, buy at these levels. And then if it comes down, dollar cost average down. But that is just some levels to target going forward. So if you do have any questions, drop them in my Telegram group, which is Crypto Troops. That will do it for today's video. Please make sure you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.